Balag ka na ginawag sa duduk maso sa kapag. Tay ulian aming nanay, kaming duhara diri sa balay, walay makaalalay. Tay ulian aming nanay, kaming duhara diri sa balay, walay makaalalay. Yes, ma'am! Tao sa kalibutan, kainahan ka ang nakatiman, nagtulo ang luha, kasakit ka ang sulod sa huna-huna, kaswit sa sinuganan, umiabot nga na bungahan, ug sa bagyot ang hinungdanganong imuming gibiyaan. Yes, ma'am! Tay ulian naming nanay, kaming duhara diri sa balay, walay makaalalay. Tay ulian naming nanay, kaming duhara diri sa balay.
Don't get me wrong, if I'm looking kind of dazzled, I've seen neon lights whenever you walk by. Don't get me wrong, if you say hello and I take a ride.
Ugas sama kamot kita ke. Oh, adi oh. Dere. Ugas kamu. Olog ka. Salamat po
That go off when you smile. Don't get me wrong, if I split like life refracted, I'm only off to wonder across the moonlit divide. Once in a while, two people meet, seemingly for no reason, they just pass on the street. Suddenly thunder, showers everywhere. Who can explain the thunder and the rain, but there's something in the air.
Nak! Kaway-kaway, nak! Ano? Ate! Oh! Mahulog ka diya, nak, oh! Lalom diya! Lalom na diya! Diri, oh! Sa mabaw lang sa... Gila mo, mabaw man yun niya. Ayaw lang sa diri sa pilig ko. Ay! Madiritso ka sa lalom. Sirao. May mga bato diya. O, diya lang. Ayaw lapasan ni diri sa ano. Bantay mo mangod ti. Pagkila daw ang cottage kong ano, overnight. Kani.
1,000.
Ano na, kay signal?
Sa smart man akong load. Dito wala.
Kaya na sila. Isa nga gamay yan siya. Ako wala man. Wala din. Ano boss? Ano to? Boss. Ito na tumokin itong tindahan nila.
chance to
Oh, pakpol daw ni. Pakpol.
Positive vibrations make my spirit climb. Morning harmony filling my soul. Peaceful rhythm make me whole. Let go of worry. Yeah, man. Every little thing I bless. We give thanks, no stress. Sun up, smile wide, reggae beat we ride. Wake up, sun is shining bright.
Pakpol.
Coffee boiling, feeling
Ayan,
right.
tilapia.
Step outside, my neighbor wave. One love, brethren of a great day. Music playing from the yard, children laughing, running hard. Life not perfect, but it's sweet.
Uy, grade 9.
Rain out the street, good vibes every day.
Moban ra ko kay San Pedro ko. Grade 9. Ano na? Hapit na brigada. Grade 9. Tagong puok naman.
Itong nagdarautan yung multicam. Taas.
Ay, oo.
Itong nai-isda ba?
Ito, Arana. Arana, may pangalan na dito. Wala mo ganito yung pangalan sa una.
Pia? Oo, Mapia, Arana.
Arana.
Kay daw ang kuan. Magkano mo sila yan?
Exclusive.
Exclusive.
Mm.
Overnight. Magamitin mo mga kwarto. Wala.
Kato lang.
Open lang din sila. Kanyang ilahang kuan. Overnight daw kay 20 ka tao. 100 ang kuan. Pero wala mong gibig sila ron.
Mm.
Light up the love, the kindest word. Dancing till the moonlight sway. Yeah, we give thanks every day.
Dili pa tayo, naban natin.
Engine on, let's roll out. Wheels turning, no doubt. Sunset glowing on the side. We taking a coastal ride. Sandy breeze blowing through my hair. Open road of love in the air. Miguel sitting next to me, playing rhythm sweet like melody. Waves crashing, stereo pump. Heart beating to the bass bump. No plan, no map, no care. Just driving with the ocean there. We cruising down the shoreline. Yeah, yeah. Feeling good every time. Alright. Sun-kissed skin, reggae in the air. One love rolling everywhere. Stop by the beach, take a dip. Coconut water, take a sip. Laughing loud, skanking slow. That's the life, and now we know. We say ride on, with the tide on. Night falling, but the vibe's strong. Starlight, headlights glow. We keep moving nice and slow. We cruising down the shoreline. Yeah, yeah. Feeling good every time. Alright. Sun-kissed skin, reggae in the air. One love rolling everywhere. Listen, ride on, tide on, night falling, but the vibe's strong. Starlight, headlights glow. We keep moving nice and slow. We cruising down the shoreline. Feeling good every time. Alright. Sun-kissed skin, reggae in the
Nagkandila, may
one love roll.
so dili undas ka ro. Daghan mong kaig lang.
Feeling good every time. Alright. Sun-kissed skin, reggae in the air. One love rolling everywhere.
picked up the love, the kindest word. Dancing till the moonlight sway. Yeah, we give thanks every day.
Oh. Makabuhi ang bako ba?
Shin Ramyun. Shin Ramyun. Pero, halang na? Cyprus? Halang? Bili. Singot na kayo ka? Na mukhaon na galang kung magsili ko, sausaw po na siya. Singot na Cyprus, singot na. Grabing singot, nagkaon og Korean noodles. Unsa na Korean noodles? Ako yung trip ni Tantanoy, kape. Oh, kape. Sa mainit na hapon. Kape. So karon i-witness na to ang sunset sa Mabini, Davao de Oro. Buhatan na itong time-lapse ang sunset.
She sits alone, waiting for suggestions. He's so nervous, avoiding all the questions. His lips are dry, her heart's gently pounding. Don't you just know exactly what they're thinking? If you want my body and you think I'm sexy, come on, sugar, tell me so. If you really need me, just reach out and touch me. Come on, honey, tell me so. Tell me so, baby.
Let's spend the night together.
He's acting shy, looking for an answer. Come on, honey.
Boss. Boss. Tan, lighter, tan, be. Tan. Lighter, tan. Kita na lang yan. Kasatin na lang. Merang niya na dari bawah na isla. Kuya nagtirik na ron doy. Tingnan lang pa. Kan pala banda pag gaya. Gamit ba? Natubila na ni. Pila ko kapatirik. Kahit berapa tuh kita? Kahit kita. Kalau dirikan, mana man? Kilo ba? O ka na nasa lalong, ayaw kayo palalong. Drill out ta. Git ta. Ayaw kayo palalong.
Silence looms, I drift away in the desert dunes.
Natutulog na ang mga anakins. Kita. Sabi sila. Asan jellyfish? Ay, dili ni Mao. Tara ka dito. Amo na katul.
Soka dapat ni Lapo.
Tapos toyo, soka.
Ilaw na yun.
Meron sa Tagko Beach Resort sa Mabini. Grade 9. Ano saan naman? So, naig na pamana. Ano na ito po kung dagan sa po. Narani diri sa Mabini Tagko Beach Resort. Morning, Ate. Morning, Cyprus.
Now, Deng. Ayaw lang dati. Ayaw po pagbalos. Mas busog pa man imo ang balos.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Carlo.
Ligo, mas pampano.
chance to shine. Positive vibrations make my spirit climb. Morning harmony, feeling my soul.
Itlog na may mga lamang. Egg mass.
Make me whole. Let go of worries.
Wala ka na bako. Ang pinakalami sa buntag. Ulan.
Step outside, feel the grass beneath my feet. Ground and energy make my spirit complete. Watch the world awaken, colors so bright, fill my heart with joy.